Hi everybody, I'm Caroline Baudino. I am a 51-year-old mom. You guys, today I wanted to do a kind of a smoky eye with a green tone. So I'm going to use a green eyeliner that I'm obsessed with from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going to use kind of like a gold eyeshadow and just my typical everyday makeup that I do every single day, whether I'm going to pick up, whether I'm going to drop off, whether I'm going to the market, whether I'm working, whether I'm going to a meeting, a girls' night, date night, does not matter. I always take the time to put myself together, make myself feel like the best version of myself before going out there and dealing with the world. So here we go. I'm going to show you exactly what I do every single day. And I keep it really simple, you guys. I honestly believe if you overcomplicate it, it's harder to keep that routine going, right? Because it gets hard. And when it's hard, you don't feel like doing it. It's hard to put that effort in, you know, when you're tired, when you're exhausted, when your kids are pulling at you, your husband needs a coffee. I don't know. You know what I mean? It's hard. It's so easy to just forget about yourself. And this is just your daily reminder that you're important too, and that taking time for yourself and putting yourself together is not selfish. It's important. It is medicine. It is my personal lifeline, and it's part of my happy tools. So those are the tools that I use every day to kind of kick that negative energy into positive and just remind me of what's important, which is me smiling. So I do whatever it takes to keep me smiling every day. So let's get started. I've already prepped my skin. You did a YouTube video of my daily beauty routine of all the products that I use every single day. I did a quick video, super simple, shows you the steps that I personally use every day. So my skin is now prepped. I've already used all my products. I'm going to start today. I wanted to show you guys is Laura Geller. It's kind of like a color corrector, you guys. I find it kind of just cool. For me, this was just kind of a quick way of getting your face on. So let me show you really quick. I'm going to use the brush that comes with it. Look, you guys, it just like covers your skin and takes that like blotchiness away. And I just washed my skin. I did all my moisturizers. And I'm gonna just add on to this, but I just wanna start with a base. So this is a nice color corrector to get your face all nice one color. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use a little under eye. I'm gonna use the Tarte under eye concealer. I'm gonna use one dot here, one dot here. Just blend in this T-zone. So we just wanna brighten around the eyes. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of my Fancy Face bronzer kind of foundation just to keep that kind of tan, bronzy look all over. I'm gonna go and do a little bit of eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a gold. I love the Charlotte Tilbury. It has like a gold sparkle, you guys. A little bit of this gold right on your eyelid. You can get right into that eye socket right in there, that corner. So it gives it a little bit of pop right there, that gold. Press, 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 get into that crease right there on the eyelid. And then you want just a little bit of mascara and some lip gloss and you're set and you feel fabulous, then good for you, okay? This is not for everyone. You know, I personally love a good smoky eye. That's just the way I've always loved my makeup. So I loved going in with a little bit. This is my way of doing a little bit of a lighter makeup by using, right now I'm gonna use the Naked to Urban Decay. I'm gonna use a little bit more of the gold to give a little more definition here to the eye. As you can see, now you see that nice gold. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I love that. Look at that. Not a great pop, especially right in the crease. So it makes your eye really pop. Get it right all around your eyelid. Look how pretty that is. I love that. Charlotte Tilbury, and it's a two-sided green. I love that there's a lighter green and a darker green, depending on, you know, if it's daytime, nighttime, depending on how you like your eyeliner to look. I always use an extra little brush to do a little smudging. So I'm gonna go in with the darker green. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a line right across the lashes, a little bit of like a cat eye, and then right across the lashes. Underneath, I just go right along the lashes. Now I'm gonna take the brush and I'm gonna blend that in. Okay, so it's nice and blended. I blend the top. And then I take my other one and I just dab, dab, dab. So it kind of creates that little bit of a green without too much. And then I go underneath and I just get that smudge. See, so it's not too heavy for daytime. And if you do want that line, you can always go back in and add that little bit of a line. Okay, I'm gonna go on this side, do a little bit of a cat eye, and along the lashes. You can do the dabbing. It's a nice little smudge feel, and then go underneath along the lashes. There we go. So all you need is that. It's a nice gel liner that kind of just smudges and gives you that illusion of a smoky eye. So you've got the green done. I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of the highlight in the white right here. There's a white liner that's Charlotte Tilbury came out with. It has right here in that corner, that little bit of white. It makes your eye pop, your pupils pop. And then I'll go sometimes in right in this, right underneath the inside of the eye and clean it up with the white. So it just opens your eye, makes your eye pop. And now I'm gonna go in with the mascara. I'm gonna do the Charlotte Tilbury mascara in black. And then I go above and I just hold it and blink. Okay, underneath. Hold it and blink, hold it and blink. There we go. I'm gonna use the Kosas, and it's a tinted brow gel, and I'm just gonna brush it in. Lift the hair, guys. Remember, when you're brushing, this contours your face, so it's always good to have a little bit of a tint or even a pencil, color it in a little bit, darken your brows around your eye. And then if you are using a tinted gel, it's always great, just lift the hair up, get the color in there. I'm gonna use Fancy Face on the cheeks, called Almost Famous. Right on the cheekbone. Make sure you always brush up, give you that little bit of a lift. Okay, we're gonna go in with a little contour from Fancy Face, right up here, right on the top, just to kind of give that bronzed feel and get that cheekbone in there. And on this side, same thing. Blend that into the cheekbone and then up. There you go. Okay, so you get that good contour there. All right, now I'm gonna do a little highlight by Charlotte Tilbury in the gold, right on top of the cheekbone, on the nose, top of the cheekbone. I'm gonna blend that right on the nose to give that little bit of a glow. Right on top of the cheekbone and above the eye right here, under the eye, the brow bone. Give that little bit of a pop. A little bit of lips. I'm going to use the Monika Blunder lip tint in Fruling, which is just her nude color, and it has the hyaluronic acid in it. And there we go, all done. This is my makeup, super simple, every day. It has like kind of the green smoky eye. We've got the contour, the highlight, the rosy cheeks, the nude lip. This is kind of like my normal everyday look. And then I've got my collar up and I am ready for the day. And this is how I look, feel put together. This is how I feel like I look good. This is like when I look in the mirror, this is what I like to see. This puts a pep in my step. This keeps me motivated. This just makes me ready for anything. So I just wanted to give you that encouragement. I hope you know that I'm always rooting for you. This is just a gentle reminder that you're important too. Your happiness is important too. And you looking in the mirror and actually liking what you see is super important. So have a fabulous day. I love you all. Mwah. Get up, get dressed. Let's do this.